Good morning, Angela Langlotz, trademark and business law attorney here, going live like I do every weekday to answer people's trademark law questions. So if you're here, say hi, send me a comment or a love heart or a thumbs up and let me know you're here. Today, I'm answering a question somebody asked me a little while ago. They said, Angela, can I register a trademark for my domain name? And I thought about that and I gave a very lawyer-like answer. And the answer is, it depends. It depends on what your domain name is. Why is that? Well, recall a couple of weeks ago, I talked about how there are certain phrases and words that do not make good trademarks, and among those are descriptive terms. And a lot of times people will try to come up with a domain name that is good for some purposes, like SEO purposes, right? For search engine optimization. Let's say that you sell cars and your domain is buycars.com, right? So you have a website, and on that website, people can buy cars or get information about buying cars. Well, it so happens that buycars.com in that context is merely descriptive of the goods and services that you're offering, which is basically an opportunity to buy cars, a website where people can go to buy cars. So in that context, your website domain name, buycars.com, is going to be considered merely descriptive for that website where people can go and buy cars. And it is likely going to get a merely descriptive refusal unless the trademark examiner is asleep that day. I have in the past seen some merely descriptive trademarks get registered, but again, I think the trademark examiner was sleeping that day. So in that case, you would not be able to get a trademark registration for that domain. Now, let's say that, what else? What's a good example? Let's say that you have a made-up trademark. So you have the same website where people can buy cars, but this time your domain name is giggles.com, where people can go and have fun buying a car, right? And you want to register giggles.com for these goods, a website where consumers can get information about car prices online, giggles.com, and you want to register that for those goods and services. That would be perfectly fine because giggles.com has absolutely nothing to do with anything generic, anything descriptive about your website, which is where people go and have fun buying cars. Maybe they have fun, but giggles is merely suggestive of something fun. So that's the analysis, the calculus that you have to do when you're trying to figure out if you can or cannot register a trademark for your domain. So if you have any more questions, feel free to message this page or leave me a comment. And I will be back tomorrow with more scintillating trademark information. So come right back, like my TrademarkDoctor.net page here on Facebook, and you will be notified every single time I go live, so you won't miss a thing. Thanks and have a great day.